What up, YouTube? Welcome to a brand new show, Hype or Hit. And in this show, what are we going to be doing in this show?
Well, in our Hyper Hit series, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be exploring Toronto's top food trends. We're going to go to a place, we're going to eat their food, and then we're going to tell you whether it's a hype or a hit.
Okay, perfect. So where are we going for episode 1 then?
We are going to Craig's Cookies.
Ooh, cookies. Well, let's try it out.
Alright guys, so while my review is important, I'm going to get ZK to help us out and give us a very unbiased review of Craig's Cookies. So what did you think initially?
Well, it was a really rainy day, I remember. It was raining pretty hard, and it was a beautiful little store. Like, it was almost as if it was a hole in a wall, and we almost missed it, I think, a couple of times, like driving by. But then we saw it, and it was just a really beautiful little cookie shop.
The thing that I probably remember the most about that place was the smell. The smell was amazing. And
oh yeah, for sure. Like, when I walked in, it was just this amazing cookie smell, and I just wanted to eat like everything that was there. That was my first impression.
For sure. It was almost as if I was eating with my nose. I know that sounds kind of weird, but it almost as if I was eating with my nose. And I really wanted to stay there and buy cookies because the guy, Craig, he was really cool. Like, he was sharing his story with us, and he was telling us how, you know, I used to deliver cookies on my bike, and then I just opened up a shop, and he's actually an actor, and his mom taught him how to bake. So the vibe really...
It was actually his grandmother.
Oh,
it was
really?
actually his grandma. It was his grandma's recipe, and then he sort of took it on to the next level, and he started mixing it up with a lot of different, flavors. But he was a really nice guy, because he saw us recording, and he came up to us, he started talking to us, and then he was really welcoming, and he told us a lot about, like, how he started this thing. So it's pretty cool. Like, a really friendly vibe that we got from the store.
Agreed. So top things for sure, like great vibe. The cookies, the smell was delicious, and honestly, those two things alone just make you want to go there and pick out all the cookies and eat them and just try them for the sake of those two things.
Yeah, and to be honest, it's a really simple cookie store. Like, some days you just want to go and eat some good cookies. So it's not like it's fancy cookies or like perfectly circular cookies. It's just like amazingly baked home style cookies with some amazing choices. So first impressions, super amazing.
Agree.
Alright guys, so we couldn't really wait, so we're gonna try one cookie. Which one do you want to try? There's so many options. We got brownies, we got peanut butter, we got like everything in here.
I think we should try the Pride one just for the spirit.
Okay, we'll try the Pride one. So this is a special cookie that we have. It's for Pride. This is Pride weekend in Canada right now. So there we go.
Let's see if there's anything. Ooh, look at that. Look at the chocolate.
Look at that. Look at that. So look at that. It's beautiful.
Okay, ready?
All right.
Cheers.
Mmm. You good? Pretty good, guys.
Very soft.
Really amazing, Look, it's got like Smarties in here. We went there at 9 in the morning, and they were already sold out of Mars cookies. So that's how popular this place is. And so we didn't get a chance to try the Mars cookie, but we tried the Snickers one. They had peanut butter cookie.
Toblerone was a really good one
Toblerone as well. They also had a brownie cookie, if I'm not wrong.
Brownie cookie, yeah. I think we got two of those actually.
Yeah.
Those
They had Oreo cookie. You actually had a full-on Oreo sandwich inside a cookie, which I thought was phenomenal. It was amazing. Yeah, there were a lot of M&M cookies. What else was there?
I'm trying to think. I feel like we said all of them. There were a lot of different kinds of cookies. That's like the bottom line. And honestly, they were all delicious. Oh, the Pop-Tart cookie.
The Pop-Tart cookie, well, we just tried the Pop-Tart cookie, and that was really, really good. The Red Velvet cookie, we also had a Red Velvet cookie. There was a birthday cake cookie, if I'm not wrong.
I don't remember.
I think I'm just making up stuff now, right?
Like, yeah. There were all kinds of cookies, and bottom line is they were all very delicious. And I keep going back to saying, honestly, the best part is not only were they tasty, but Craig was super nice, super hospitable, and his story is just so cool. So all in all, like everything together, it just made a really great cookie tasting experience. So this is a Pop-Tart cookie, and let's break it open inside to see what it's like. Ooh, that's nice.
Whoa. So, what's the final verdict?
You know what I actually just remembered? I don't know what time it is, so I actually have to get going because Craig's Cookies is about to close. So, I'll see you.
Well, I guess that sums it up, eh? It's a hit. Pop-Tart cookies, man.
So this is something super unique. I've never heard of this before, so I'm actually really excited to try
I'm a
it.
big fan of Pop-Tarts, so just to have them inside a cookie, it's almost a dream come true.
All right, cheers.
This is the Canadian dream, guys. This is right here.